Good day everyone. So this is our topic for Module 7 about networks, internets, and internet protocols. So these are the learning contents. What is network? The term network is defined as a set of computers of different types, terminals, telephones, and other communication equipment, connected by data communication links which allow the network components to work together. The network components may be located within a small area or spread over many remote locations. So, definition of computer networks. Computer network is a collection of computers and devices connected together via communication devices and transmission media. Examples: it may connect computers, printers, and scanners. Potential needs for computer networks. Information exchange. To exchange data and information between different individual users, it is necessary to interconnect the individual users' computers. Resource sharing. The cost of computer has come down. However, the cost of a laser printer, bulk storage, and large enterprise software remains high. Network architecture, client and server. It describes the relationship between two computer programs in which one program, the client, makes a service request from another program, the server, which fulfills the request. Peer-to-peer. A peer-to-peer network is created when two or more PCs are connected and share resources without going through a separate server computer. Advantages of networking: facility of technical support, easy sharing of data, easy sharing of hardware resource, easy sharing software, easy to decentralize data processing, and easy to communicate. Disadvantages of networking: purchasing the network cabling and file servers can be expensive. Managing a large network is complicated. If the file server breaks down, the files on the file server become inaccessible. Viruses can spread to other computers throughout the computer network. There is a danger of hacking, particularly with the wide area network. Network devices, hardware devices that are used to connect computers, printers, fax machines, and other electronic devices to a network are called network devices. Modem is a device that enables a computer to send or receive data over telephone or cable lines. Modem is a combination of two devices, modulator and demodulator. Modulator converts digital data into analog data when the data is being sent by the computer. Demodulator converts analog data signals into digital signal when it is being received by the computer. Types of modem: simplex, half-duplex, and full duplex. RJ45 connector. RJ45 is the acronym for Registered Jack 45. RJ45 connector is an 8-pin jack used by devices to physically connect the Ethernet-based local area networks or LANs. The cable used for Ethernet LANs are twisted pair ones and have RJ45 connector pins at both ends. Ethernet card. Ethernet card, also known as Network Interface Card or NIC, is a hardware component used by computers to connect to Ethernet LANs and communicate with other devices on the LAN. Router. A router is a network layer hardware device that transmits data from one LAN to another if both networks support the same set of protocols. So, a router is typically connected to at least two LANs and the Internet Service Provider or ISP. Routing table. A router reads its routing table to decide the best available route the packet can take to reach its destination quickly and accurately. The routing table may be of these two types: static and dynamic. Switch is a network device that connects other devices to Ethernet networks through twisted pair cables. It uses packet switching technique to receive, store, and forward data packets on the network. Gateway is a network device used to connect two or more dissimilar networks. In networking parlance, networks that use different protocols are dissimilar networks. Wi-Fi card is the acronym for wireless fidelity. Wi-Fi technology is used to achieve wireless connection to any network. Wi-Fi card is a card used to connect any device to the local network wirelessly. Computer networking technology. Here are the major terminologies of computer networking technology. WAN or Wide Area Network, LAN or Local Area Network, Internet, Extranet, World Wide Web or WWW, Instant Messaging or IM, and Voice over Internet Protocol or VoIP, and etc.
Concept of Internet technologies. What is Internet? The Internet is a vast global network connecting billions of computers and devices. It's collection of interconnected networking using shared resources and communication protocols. Internet-based services. These are applications and functionalities available through the Internet, including email, file transfer, online new groups, unsent, and the World Wide Web. What is WWW? The World Wide Web, a system of interlinked hypertext documents accessed via the Internet to use the hypertext transfer protocol to transfer information between servers and users. It's part of the Internet but not Internet itself. What is SMTP server? Simple mail transfer protocol. Service is a computer that handles the sending and servicing of email. It's crucial part of email instruction. What is ISP? An internet service provides in a company that provides individual and organization which access to the internet. What is HTML? Hypertext Markup Language. Is the standard language used to create web page. It is structure the content and formatting using on website. What is hyperlink or simply a link is a clickable element on a web page that takes you to another web page or resource. What is DNS? Domain name system. Translates domain names like google.com into IP address like 172.117.160.1.1. Which computer used to communicate? It makes it easier for people to remember website address. What is HTTP? Hypertext Transfer Protocol is the set of rules for transferring web page and other information across the internet. It's how your browser gets information from the website. What is URL? A uniform resources locator is the address of specific resources on the internet like web page. It tells your browser where to find the information. What is a website? A website is a collection of web pages usually related to a specific topic or organization accessible via the internet. What is web server? A web server is a computer that stores and delivers website content in response to requests from the web browser. What is web browser? A web browser is a software application like Chrome and Firefox that allows you access via website. What is W3C? The World Wide Web Consortium is an international community that develops and maintains web standards ensuring interoperability and consistency across the web. The World Wide Web. The World Wide Web is a system of interconnected hypertext and document and other resources accessed via the internet using the HTTP protocol. It's a way for exchanging information using hyperlink to navigate between resources. Internet and web are not the same. Internet is the underlying global network of networks. The web is service and runs on the top of the internet. The web uses internet infrastructure to transmit data, but is specific application built on that infrastructure think the internet as highly system and the web as a specific type of transportation like cars using the highway system. How the web works? When you enter some things like google.com, the request goes to one of many special computers of the internet known as domain name service. All these requests are routed through various router and switches. The following diagram verifies defines evaluation of World Wide Web. Web 1.0. Static web page, mostly publishing, no communication. Web 2.0. Social media, keyword search, rich user experience, tagging. Web 0.30. Highly mobile, open ID, semantic search, microblogging. Data interchange. Prefer the method and the standard used exchange data between different systems of application on the web. Taxonomies is structured classification of information organizing data into hierarchical categories. Provide a way to define and subscribe these taxonomies. Ontologies. Formal representation of knowledge, defining concepts, properties, and relationship between them. Web ontology language is a standard language for creating ontologies. Ontologies provide richer, more detailed way to subscribe data than simple taxonomies. Rules. Mechanism or specified constraint and reference on data. Rule interchange format and semantical rule language are examples of rules language used to define local rules that govern how to data process and interpret. Proof. The process of verifying and validity of indication and interference made based on the data and rules. This ensures the reliability and consistency of the information. Cryptography. The use of encryption and other security techniques to protect data integrity and confidentiality during transmission and storage. This is crucial to resource web interaction. User interface and application. The top-up layer and architecture responsible of how users interact with the web. This includes web browser application and the visual representation of information.
Future. Ito ay mabilis na pag-unlad sa larangan ng web kaya ito ay may epekto halos lahat ng lugar tulad ng edukasyon, research, technology, commerce, marketing, etc. User interface. Ito ay inaasahan din ng consortium na pahusayin upang ganap na mapunan lahat ng pangangailangan ng komunidad sa kinabibilangan ng panrehiyong wika at sa pagsusulat. Technology. Work on privacy and security. Kabilang dito ang pagtatago ng informasyon, accounting, access control, integrity, and risk management. Architecture. Kailangang magkaroon ng protocol para hindi mag-overload at hindi ma-degrade ang performance ng Internet. Internet etiquettes, also known called netiquettes, ay may pangunahing rules at pamamaraan na kailangang sundin para mabisa ang komunikasyon tulad ng Internet. Email operation. Dito natin matatalakay ang mga operasyon na maaaring gawin sa isang email pero mas kailangan nating matutunan kung paano gumawa ng email account. Composting and sending email. Before sending an email, kailangan gumawa ng message. Kapag magko-compose tayo ng isang email na message, tinutukoy ito ng sender address, information, field or signature, and text, etc. Reading email. Upang mabasa ang isang email, kailangan mong pindutin ang email na iyon. Replying email. Mag-reply ka lang sa email na iyong natanggap. Forwarding email. Ito yung pagpapasa mo ng kopya ng mensahe na tanggap mo sa ibang tao na gusto mong makatanggap. Deleting email. Kung gusto mong burahin ang email na iyon, click Delete Email. Email etiquette. Ito yung guide sa pagsusulat at pag-send ng email para gumawa ng good impression sa iba.